Hey, what's up everybody, this is Cryptic coding here, back with another game development episode on this channel. Today we will learn about Zelda style health bars. So to get started, you need to add a 9 patch rect, 9 patch rect. 9 patch rect is basically health bar. Health is basically sprite that you can use. You have to click on your control node, click on plus and say 9 patch rect here. And then it takes a texture. You will go find your texture right here and drag and drop it here, and then I just duplicated that. That's basically it. So now we are going to the coding stuff, which is a bit harder than you think. First of all, you have your health variable. So the health variable here is equals to 4. So if your health is 3, then plus it by 1, just like this. So my health here is 3 sprites, then I'll add 1. There's a reason for that. I will explain why. We'll go down to the new code sections. I just marked a new code. Now the function, the take damage, this function is important. This function will check depending on health. So if the health is 1, then this will destroy. When the health is 3, it will destroy destroy this health right here. So now if our health is 2, then it will destroy this function right, this health right here, this 9 patch rect. Now how he is doing that? Now he's doing that by getting the health function, health 9 patch rect. Oh my god. Okay, so health is sprite 0 here, and we've said that whatever this will return, this will return this one. Then we'll just use the hide function to hide it. You don't need to destroy or whatever. If you are not destroying the player, if you are not destroying a real object which is moving, like kinematic bodies, rigid bodies, etc., then you have to use hide. But if you are using kinematic bodies, rigid bodies, then you can use Quefree, which is another function which is really good, which is destroying stuff. Destroys. Okay, so now we'll check if the health is 2, then we'll get the health sprite 1, and then we'll hide that object, object or 9 patch rect. Then if the health is 1, now you can think, hey, why if the health is 1, and whenever it's 1, why we want to restart? It's because we have 4, we take damage, we have 3, we take another damage, we have 2, and the final damage is 1. So whenever it's 1, it means that it's collided, it's already collided. So if he is collided, then boom, you need to destroy that, and then we need to restart that. Boom. And you don't need to use this line, because when it's reloaded, it's automatically will restart. It means that it's a Quefree. It doesn't need to destroy, but you can do that. Okay, so you need this function. Remember this. Okay, after that you need to go to your enemy. So in the enemy here, we are going to do, if you remember that we have 2 raycasts. First one detecting the ground, and other one detecting the player. So we'll get the player first. If you see, you saw that there is a get collider function, but you don't need that. I just removed it and it works fine, right? So if this is colliding, then we'll get a variable player equals to get parent, get node. We get the player body here. It's explained in the, I think, enemy part 1 video. Yeah, it's explained in the enemy part 1 video, if you're wondering. So now we have the player. Now we can access the health. Whenever we get the access the health, it's getting there. There you go. We're taking the health, we minus it by 1. So whatever the health, for example 4, so 4 minus 1 is 3. Boom, share. Now we'll use the damage function. Now health is now 3. Now the damage function, the damage function will check if this is 3. Yes, it is. Then it will destroy the 9 Pachyrect, or what should I say? Destroy the health bar, or health heart. It will destroy the heart. Okay, so it will destroy the heart. Then if this is 2, then destroy the heart, etc. So we go to the enemy, set that out. So and then we destroy itself. So whenever we collide, the enemy destroys, the health gets done, and our health will get destroyed, right? So this is how it's working. So recap, we'll go to the player, we'll go up, create a variable, create a health variable, we'll go down, and we'll have a take damage function. That's it. Just copy and paste whatever. It's so simple. Okay, and go to the enemy, and where we are colliding, we'll add player.health -1, player.take damage, square free, and make sure that you have the player. You should have the player if you followed my tutorial. Next, for that scene tree stuff, you want to go to the health. These are 9 Pachyrect, and then add a texture to it, and then just like do that, and you have your hearts. So that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video. I'm an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.